my grout in my kitchen, and all I'm using is a little bit of Dawn, baking soda, and hydrogen peroxide with some hot water and this lovely little spa tool. And so all I'm doing here is taking the sponge and cleaning it out. Now the reason I'm doing this is, you see at some point I think somebody painted the grout and maybe only had painted like one coat of paint on the grout, and so it is coming up from probably numerous cleanings. I don't know when they could have painted this, but it seems like it was a pretty long time ago. Either that or I'm really cleaning too heavily when I'm cleaning my floors. But just to start, I'm going to just really scrub in here as good as possible. And as you see here, it's really coming right up. You can use any kind of scrub brush, toothbrush, whatever, but I thought this was really good because I can hold on to it really well and just really get in there in the cracks. And then I'm going to really give my floors a good scrubbing after this is all done. But I have a huge kitchen because it's like a kitchen and a dining room, and then this does go into my entryway as well. But I'm thinking of repainting this floor entirely or repainting the grout. I'm really not sure. I will decide a little bit more when this is all cleaned up, but this is going to take a while and I will give an update. So if any of you guys are planning on painting your grout, just keep in mind, I'm not sure how long again this is, but that this will potentially come up over the years. If you don't do it well, or if you don't prep it well, or if you just really do hard cleanings over the years, it will probably come up. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.